This is a video on how to make a ringtone using Nero Wave Editor. First of all, what you got to do is to open the program. Then we go to File and open the MP3 file, the file that we want to convert to a ringtone. And all we got to do, we search it. After we open the file, Nero Wave Editor, what it's going to do is to make a map of all the sounds in the song. So all you have to do is to play it and search the part that you want to be your ringtone. After you search that part, you just select it. Select the part like this and you cut it. You can copy it, but I prefer to cut it. Go and copy it. You go to a new project, and the new project you just paste it. After you paste it, you should review in options you've audio format settings. So what you want to do is to play with this configuration here. If you want it to be better quality, you can put it the highest quality, and it depends here. I prefer using the 53 kilobits in mono, but you can do it anything you want. It depends on if you want it to occupy many space. If you want the highest quality, but you just choose the 96 kilobits. But I choose 56 because I don't want to occupy too many space in my cell phone. You can choose the battle bit rate that is better quality, but I choose this one. After you do that, you go File and you Save As. You don't save, you save as. You write the file name you want it to call it. I will call it test ringtone. And you go and you save it, and it's done. Thank you very much for seeing this video. I hope it helps you to make a ringtone.